So today we're going to learn our third method of solving systems of linear equations. So as the name suggests, we are going to eliminate a variable. So let's take a look at our first system. We have 2x plus 3y equals 11 and negative 2x plus 5y equals 13. So just like we did for substitution, we want to use our number sense and determine what coefficients are actually easier to work with. Well, if we look at 2x and negative 2x, what would happen if we needed to eliminate those variables? Well, let's make this an addition problem. 2x plus negative 2x disappears. 3y plus 5y will give us that 8y. Then we'll add our 11 plus 13 and we get 24. Let's solve for y by dividing. We get y equals 3. So now we have one variable, and just like we have been doing, we need to find our second variable by substituting back into another equation. So let's pick 2x plus 3y equals 11. Well, we know y equals 3, so we have 2x plus 3 parentheses 3 equals 11. 3 times 3 gives us our 9. 2x plus 9 equals 11. So x equals 1. So our answer to the system is 1, 3. And as always, we should check to see if we are correct. So we'll pick our first equation, 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3. Does that give us 11? 11 equals 11. It is a true statement, so this is a solution to that first equation. Our next equation, negative 2 times 1 plus 5 times 3. Does that equal 13? And yes, 13 equals 13. This is a true statement. So our solution is in fact 1, 3. So let's look at example 2. We have 4x plus 3y equals 2, 5x plus 3y equals negative 2. So again, using our number sense, let's pick a variable that has pretty easy coefficients to work with. Well, we see that y has both 3's in each system. So we're first going to eliminate our variable y. But we notice that they are both positive. So in order to eliminate them, one must be positive, one must be negative. So let's change the signs of our second equation by multiplying everything by negative 1. So we'll now have our negative 5x minus 3y equals a positive 2. I'm going to rewrite our other equation right below it. So we'll have our 4x plus 3y equals 2. Now we can see that our y's will definitely cancel out. Once they cancel out, we will be left with negative x equals 4, but I do not want to know the value of a negative x, so I'm going to divide by negative 1, and I will get x equals a negative 4. As always, I'm going to substitute that back into any equation and find our other variable. So let's work with 4x plus 3y equals 2. Substitute in, we have 4 times negative 4 plus 3y equals 2. So we will get y equals 6. So our solution is the point negative 4, 6. And as always, we need to check.